In this video, we are going to learn some basics operation in AutoCAD. So at first we are concerned about what type of software we are using. That means after 2016 of AutoCAD, it is a huge change in AutoCAD from the company Autodesk. So I am using Autodesk AutoCAD LT 2020. So it is a very updated software, and after this only one software is available, that is 2020 version, and there some variants are available. So after 2016 all types of softwares like 17, 18, 19 all are same type of softwares. So after opening the software AutoCAD, you can see this type of interface, and now we are going to the panel of start drawing. From here you can select many types of templates. This is the interface, user interface of the drawing sheet. So this is a grid line, and by scrolling your mouse you can zoom in or zoom out the window. So in this video, at first I am going to draw some lines and circles, arcs, rectangles, polylines, etc. So at first set the limit. So AutoCAD is a command based software, so we have to set limit using commands. So here you can see a command window appearing in the lower part of this software. Given enter, it is asking you that lower left corner. I am taking 0, 0, and now the software is asking for the upper limit. I am saying 100, 100. Here there is no negative value. The axis or the point is at 0, 0. Now after the limit command you have to give a zoom all command to fit the window. Zoom and now all. After that we can proceed. Now going at line command. Now here you can click on the screen to specify a point, or you can specify a point by typing here. I am typing the starting point at 10, 10. Now the line is starting at 10, 10. Now if you want to draw horizontals or vertical lines, so you have to turn on this ortho mode using F8 key or using this logo over here. I am using this, and you can see this is horizontal line and this is vertical line. Only you can draw this type of lines. So I am drawing this line, and here you can put any distance after specify the first point. So I am putting 30. This is 30 unit distance. After that you have to take your cursor on the side, you have to draw the line and put the distance. Again 30, again I am putting 30, and here you can close. After closing, it is automatically close path, and you can move your screen by using the scroll button. You have to press the scroll button and you can pan the total window. Okay, in this way you can pan your screen, or you can use this pan button to pan, and ESC to escape. In this way we can draw this square. Now go to circle command. Here you can use circle command in this command panel, and space here it is asking for the center point. Here you can choose a center point by clicking on the screen, or you can put a center point. I am putting center point 50, 50. For doing this, you can after one value you have to give the tab or space bar. Now enter, and it is asking for the radius. You can choose by moving your mouse, or you can give a value of like 20, like this. Okay, now arc option, and specify the start point of arc. Here from here arc option, or here you can see the window of what type of arc you want to draw. I am using 3 point, so my point 1 is this, point 2 is the center point of this, and point 3 is say here. Okay, in this way we can draw arcs, squares, lines, and circles also. So this is the first tutorial of Autodesk AutoCAD, and in the next video we are going to discuss these topics in details one by one. So thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please subscribe for getting the up next videos. Thank you.